Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another most requested and viral makeup tutorial. I am Cold Girl. Makeup look is so much on trend right now, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this particular makeup look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with the skin prep, and to achieve this makeup look, all you have to do is hydrate and moisturize your skin really well, because you want your skin to look very hydrated, glowy, juicy and dewy. So here first I'm using a toner to hydrate my skin, and then to lock the moisture into my skin I am using a hyaluronic acid serum. Next I'm using a moisturizer from Dot & Key, and if you have dry flaky skin, this is such a beautiful moisturizer, and also this is perfect for this winter season. And guys, one thing I would like to tell you here, that if you are layering your skincare products and if you are prepping your skin before makeup, whatever it is, but give your skincare products some time to sink into your skin. Just give it a minute or two and then go on with another layer on top, and that's how it's not gonna sit on top of your skin. Directly moving on to the concealer, I'm not going to use any foundation today, and today I'm using a full coverage concealer because I want my skin to look flawless, and this is the concealer which matches me perfectly and it looks absolutely amazing on the skin. I'm going to use a very small amount and I'm going to apply it wherever I need it the most, like underneath my eyes, around my mouth. I have a little bit of dark circles, acne marks and pigmentation, and once I'm done applying, I'll blend everything out with the help of a concealer brush, because with the help of a brush you get the most coverage out of it. Then I applied a little more underneath my eyes because I felt there's a little bit of darkness that was peeking through. Next, to set the concealer in place, I'm using this loose powder. I love this loose powder. This is so good and so finely milled. Guys, I've been only using the K Beauty loose powder, and this one lately, it's so amazing and so affordable. So do definitely check this one out. And next, I'm using a brow pencil to fill in the gaps of my brows. I'm not gonna go ham with my brows. I just want them to look very naturally structured and filled in. And to set them in place, I'm using this brow gel from e.l.f. I used to use the shade Brunette. It was a little lighter than me, so I got this one. To set the base makeup in place, I'm using this Dewy Finish Setting Mist, and it doesn't contain any shimmer or glitter chunks to it, but it makes your skin look so glowy and dewy. The main focus of this look is blush, and today I'm using this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint for the very first time. So first I applied it on my skin and I let it sit on my skin for a while. I just wanted to see the pigmentation of this, and then I will go on with the second layer of blush, not this one but something else. But before that, let me just quickly finish off the eye makeup first. And today's eye look is so simple yet sophisticated. It looks so classy. I kept it very minimal yet elegant and easy, so that even if you are a beginner, you can easily achieve this look. So first I used a transition shade, and then I'm using this brown shade a teeny tiny bit just to give some definition to my eyes. And once that is done, I'll be using this beautiful champagne gold shade all over my eyelid, and that's it. I don't want it to look very intense, so I'm spreading it with the help of my finger, and it looks so pretty. I recently bought this beautiful eyeliner from Plum, and it looks so beautiful on your eyes. I had to mention this one in this particular video because I didn't want to use a black eyeliner, and this looks so different and so unique. Anyway, now to finish off the eyes, I will curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Coming to the highlighters, I want my skin to look glowy, dewy, but not extremely glowy or beaming, so I'm using this highlighter with the help of my finger. Now let's welcome my current favorite lip and cheek tint from Benefit. I'm gonna apply it on my lips, on my cheeks, and this looks so beautiful. Now for my lip application, I forgot to show it, but after applying it, I just let it sit on my lips for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I blot it with the help of a tissue, and this is how it looks like. Wait, I'm not done yet. I want my lips to look glowy, dewy, juicy and hydrated, and for that I'm using this lip oil from e.l.f. So yep, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!